Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that plant A is currently 20 centimeters tall and plant B is currently 12 centimeters tall. We're told that the ratio of the heights of plant A to plant B, so plant A to plant B, would be 20 over 12, dividing both sides by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So the ratio is 5 to 3. We're told that 5 to 3 is equal to the ratio of the heights of plant C to plant D. And we're told that plant C is 54 centimeters tall. So 5 over 3 is equal to 54 over D. We don't have to write plant D, let's just use the variable D. And now we're asked, given this, to find the height of D. We have one equation, one variable, and so we can do that. If we have two fractions equal to each other, I think the easiest way to go about this is to cross multiply. So we have 5D is equal to 3 times 54. So 5D is equal to 3 times 54 is 162. And if we divide both of these by 5, these are going to cancel, and D is going to come out to 32.4. Right, plug that into your calculator if you want. But you're going to get a value of 32.4, which means A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.